there everyone, welcome back to Time with Sean. So this week we've got a boat, a Jackal and a pig. So what I'm going to be doing here is in Wednesday 4 I'm going to be adding the boat, blending it in a bit, and then using the leaf to push it a little bit back to make it look like it's nicely into the picture. Then other thing that I want to mention is I might be looking at doing different stuff now on Wednesdays. I feel even though this is pretty cool for me and teaching me quite a lot, I think just in the 4 weeks that I've been working on it every day, I think there's different challenges that I can start looking at. So I might be changing my idea. Otherwise, I'll just get back into it and maybe add a lot of pictures on a Wednesday and then keep on going. But let me think about it and then I'll get back to you at the end of the video. Okay, talking about the votes, last week we got vehicles that won. The boat was randomized on my randomizer, so this week I'll probably put on Thursday as well. Otherwise, I will look at other options, but let's continue with this. Okay, the fox was taking a while. There's quite a few things that I had to do on there. Not getting it in as much as I wanted at the start, but it actually started pulling in quite nicely at the end there. And then starting with the pig, there's a few things that I need to do it. I wasn't sure where to put it at first, so let me see what I can do from here to see if I can maybe bring it in and not have it as a full sore thumb standing out. So here we have the image. So this was quite a bit of a challenge in the sense of that the Jackal was my first challenge. That was tricky, but then when the pig came along, that was even a bigger challenge. I think the shadows and the lighting that I put in the pig helped quite a lot on that. There's a few things that I tried and I ended up with this as being the best option that I have at the moment and the skills that I have. So then just to mention, next week I'm not going to add more pictures to this one. This is the last one. I'm going to be adding a tutorial video just to show a little bit more of what I'm doing. And then yeah, like, subscribe, and then see you next Wednesday.